So in this video, we are going to be talking about this super keyword in Solidity. So what is the super keyword used in Solidity for? The super keyword in Solidity is used by a child contract to call a function from the parent contract. So we basically need to have two contracts. So let's head over to see the practical aspect of what we are talking about. So we basically have two contracts here, the contract A and the contract B. You can see the contract A is the parent contract, the contract B is inheriting from the parent contract. So this is the contract B inheriting from the parent contract. So we are going to do a unit. We're going to do a unit public. I'm going to be naming this count. So we are going to do a function. We're going to do a function. We're going to do a function increase. This function is going to be incrementing our count. What I'm trying to do, I'm trying to show you how the super keyword works. So this public, we are going to do our count. Our count is going to be incremented by 1 is equals to 1. So in order for us to be able to use this function in our contract B, we will do a function. Let's name this function increase count. Alright, so this is going to be a public. And yeah, so we are going to do a super dot increase. So you can see our contract is set. So you can see we are calling this function from contract B. So let's deploy and see, compile. Then let's read our terminal bits up so that you can see what we are about to do. Yeah, so I'm going to take this out. Then we're going to remember we're deploying contract B. So you can see our count is currently 0. So let's call our increase count function. You can see the count was incremented successfully.